Hello everyone, thank you for joining the Slim Trim Challenge. As you can see here, I'm doing whole foods that are organic, most likely, and no sugar added or processed foods. Smallest meal is dinner, and drink lots of water. And then this is plant-based focused. So I try to keep meat down to a minimum or actually eliminate it, and I'm probably about 90%. You may have seen this low calorie density chart that I've had in past videos, but this is the place where you want to live. Here you will see vegetables and fruit at the bottom end. You can eat unlimited amount, and the volume is what it's all about. So you can eat the volume of food you want, at the same time utilizing the foods that are high in nutrition factor. Now you see here with the high calorie density foods, that's meats and breads and cheese, even nuts and seeds. You can still have nuts and seeds, but to treat it as a condiment instead of eating it separately, where you can just be sitting there eating a bunch, and it can get out of control. And then you're way over your calories amount that you want to take in. And with these products, you want to keep in mind, we're trying to be plant-based focused. And so whatever that looks like for you, you will see that on the low calorie density chart. Here is where we're trying to stay away from those high saturated fats and dairy and different types of meats, so we can heal the body, because it's also about chasing the health, right? While we're trying to lose weight at the same time and get your hormones in check. With the 50-50 plate, you see we start to build it. To the left is non-starchy vegetables, and you want to really build up your plate with that first. And then to the right, you have your starches, and that would be potatoes, your rice, your beans, even peas and corn. And then you see here this is where I've been hanging out, is with more of a 1/3 plate and building with high protein in that third of the plate. So that's protein is very important for us to have. So build your bowl that way. I kind of made this up just you can see I build my bowl to be satiated, so satiety, and then you get your starches there. That is what will keep you feeling full. And then you look around the bowl and you see all the greens to the right. Again, it's still kind of a 40-60 plate, but you're building it with all good foods. And also you can have your fats there, which I put in the avocado in the middle. And again, these are the requirements to build a nutritional bowl, but also that's low calorie density. It will also keep you full enough, and you're still eating less calories. And you see here, this is less than 600 calories for this bowl. And overall in my day, I'm probably getting to 11 to 1200 calories, but I don't really count. And that's a good thing about being low calorie density. You see, these are examples of the bowls that I do all the time. I've been doing it for a couple of years, but I know what works for me. And if the weight is not budging, then I know I have to make adjustments in how much starch that I'm putting on my plate and how my body is reacting to what I'm doing today and tomorrow. Okay, excuse the background noise. I am just going to do a salad. When you are busy and you're on the go, you need to be able still to eat healthy and stay on track, but there's really no excuse. There's so many things out there that are in the grocery stores that can help us just cut down our time to 5-10 minutes or less to prepare your lunch or your dinner. But this is my lunch. I'm gonna have the salad. Now I'm not going to do dressing here. And the dressing is too heavy, and so if you want to think about calorie density, and there's a lot of added sugars in these dressings that are in these type of bags. But what I really love is that it has the kale, and it has broccoli stalk in it, and Brussels sprouts as well, and green cabbage. All these excellent things to have. Now, every now and then it's okay to have a little bit of the dried cranberries, but also the pumpkin seeds are another thing that I really enjoy. It's good to put seeds or a little bit of nuts in a salad or a meal instead of eating it separately, because if you eat it separately, we tend to binge on it, right? Right. All right, so what I'm doing is taking some hummus. Yes, I'm getting hummus that's ready to go because I don't have time to make it all the time. So this is a red pepper roasted, red pepper, and it's organic, but I know there may be some oils in it, but again, I'm going to make that. And what I do is I put lemon juice, squeeze it in, and dilute it, and that will be my actual dressing, is a nice drizzled hummus. Can you see what I'm saying? I'm just putting a little bit of that. Now you see that big full salad, right? But I'm going to add in a little bit more of some starch on the side just to get a little bit of more satiation, and will bring me into dinner, or I can fast and to the next day, and that would be a good maybe 24 hour fast. So it's up to you. The choice is up to you. Basically, I like it warm, but I'm just gonna have the rest of that because, hey, why not? Again, under the 700 calories per pound of low calorie density chart, and that's what I'm gonna stick to. Now, if you want some brown rice, why not as well? Just a little bit that I, again, had a few leftovers there. Not putting in much, but I'm really watching my grain intake. And there you go, that's basically it. I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of my hummus, which again, is nothing but chickpeas and some tahini sauce. You have to be careful of the tahini, but it's good for you. And you got red peppers in there too. So kind of a heck of a mixture, right guys? Voila, we're ready in like 3 minutes. Enjoy your food, guys, and I'll say cheers for now.